nothing but an expired exit from my life. An expired exit from my life. I thought your love, I thought your heart was poison from the start. An expired exit from my life. Bye bye. I don't miss your mind tricks or your lies. I don't miss when you're gone every night. I'm done being
Chicken recipe in China. Cut chicken breast into equal pieces with grandma's cleaver, scallion and ginger, cooking wine, soy sauce,
이모 chicken 뭐야?
salt, ground pepper. Well mix it with your single hand. Plain flour, cornstarch, salt, ground pepper. Stir well. Add chicken. Gently give the Thai massage.
Dipping water.
Repeat the process. Deep fry on low heat until golden brown.
Dish up.
Done and dusted. Out of this world.
Cinnamon roll French toast bites. First, make the cinnamon batter with softened butter, brown sugar and cinnamon. Then cut the crust off 4 slices of thick bread. Spread the cinnamon batter over the top, then make a sandwich. Cut it into battens using a sawing motion so you don't crush the bread, then cut it into squares. You can make mini cinnamon rolls with your crusts. Whisk together 1 egg, milk and vanilla, then coat the bites in the mix. You don't need to soak them. Melt some butter, then cook on a medium heat until golden on each side. Mix together sugar and cinnamon, then coat the bites in the mix. For the dip, mix together softened butter, cream cheese and icing sugar until smooth. Serve fresh and warm. They taste absolutely amazing. Enjoy.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing.
We keep seeing their eyeballs glued to us on the sidewalk, but that look could kill. Oh, they are trying so hard to find all the weaknesses inside, but it's gonna spill. Oh, can we take a minute, turn and face the critics? Let's put flowers in our hair like we don't care, and dance a village clown moves. Nobody's stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and making me laugh with your moves. Ain't no stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and we can clown around, yeah. And we can clown around, and it's just you and me.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm
Trending ice cream bar recipe in China. Mango pulp, sugar, blend well, yogurt, well mix it, pour into mold, freeze for 8 hours, add crushed nuts in melt chocolate, unmold mango ice cream bar, coat with melt chocolate, freeze for 1 hour, done and dusted, out of this world.